Oh, Toy.
I can't believe it. That old lady was really gonna hurt me.
Well, I'm sorry, Caesar, but that's what the world is now. You can't trust anyone.
Does that include babies?
Jace, you forget yourself.
I'm sorry, Professor, but healing this city will take more than just speeches. Time and again, you've warned us what not to do. But let me ask you this. What's your plan to fix this?
If we want to be in control of our own destiny, we will have to fight for it. Now is the time for us to stand up. For ourselves. Stand up for this injustice. I promise you, this fight will be worth it. Follow me. Nothing can stop us when we stand together. Together as one.
Great warriors are people too. They can have feelings. You don't have to suffer alone to be a super cool warrior. You have to fight, even when the odds seem impossible. Because you know your friends need you.
Look, kid, everyone wants to believe they're chosen. But if we all waited around for a prophecy to make us special, we'd die waiting. And that's why you need to choose yourself.
This is worse than anything the bears have done to us, and I intend to do something about it.
Oh, Barry, stop.
Who told you that humans are taking our honey? That's just a rumor.
Do these look like rumors?
That's a conspiracy theory. These are obviously doctored photos.
This is what you want to do with your life?
This is what I want to do for all our lives. Nobody works harder than bees. Dad, I remember you coming home some night so overworked, your hands were still stirring. You couldn't stop them.
I remember that.
What right do they have to our hard-earned honey?
I see what this is about. Your Hextech projects need more time, more safeguards.
Humans don't live for centuries. We can't wait for progress. We need a leadership focused on the future, not the past.
Oh, I know you can hear me. I need you to tell me what to do.
How would Madame Raz know what you should do?
Look, I left my whole life behind looking for answers about where I came from and who I'm supposed to be. The rebellion hates me and I can't go back to the Horde, and I want to do the right thing, but I don't know what that is.
The same old story, dearie. Wicked people destroy what they cannot control.
They can't just do this.
Once the princesses would have protected us, but these days they stay in their castles, protecting only their own lands. Meanwhile, the Horde creeps ever closer. You're very like my Mara, you know. Brave, loyal, but afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Dearie, you ran into the woods and asked the first old lady you could find what you should do. No one is going to make this easy for you, dearie. Stop waiting for someone to tell you what the right thing to do is. You're a smart girl. What do you think?
It's gone.
So, what do we do now?
Dee was right.
About what?
Everything. Look at it, look around. This is a disaster. It's all my fault. I should have stayed on protocol.
I'm better than you in every way, except you have hope. You always have. You went back into the mine to rescue Jazz. You snuck up to the surface to find the matrix of leadership.
Yeah, and how'd that work out?
My point is that your instincts tell you to break protocol for a reason. This blind optimism that you have is why you make such bold and courageous choices. You can envision a better future that no one else can see. Listen to me. We can do this.
You don't want to leave the demon realm, do you?
Of course not, but
you keep messing up? Messing up is a part of living. You don't think I've ever messed up before? Ha!
And I gotta go. Time for my shift. Be good for Graham, okay?
I'll come with you. I can finish this on the way. You won't even know I'm there.
What you need to do is get ready for school.
Oh, Mom, school's boring. And the kids think I'm weird.
Weird? Hey, look at me. What's wrong with weird? The world needs weird. Listen, I'm out there keeping the neighborhood safe. But one day, your ideas, your gadgets, are gonna keep the world safe. And everybody will wish they were as weird as you.
You think?
I know.
Hey, we're missing one. Who are we missing?
Oh, Mike Wazowski.
Thanks, Joe! Good luck finishing your crossword puzzle.
Sorry, Michael, I didn't see you.
That's okay. When I was on the bus, I found a nickel! I wish I had pockets.
Hey, everyone, partner up. Get your field trip, buddy.
Jeremy, you and me? Okay, no biggie. Haley? No, pairing up with Claire? Great choice. She's a good egg. Russell. Mike? Wazowski? We carpool? We're cousins. Hey. Okay, good catching up.
Well, Michael, it looks like it's you and me again.
Why are you guys just standing there? This is your chance to escape.
The warden will catch us, he always does.
We belong here.
Self-doubt is a prison you could never escape from.
That's the right thing.
So you have a different way of doing things, a different way of seeing things. That may make you weird, but it also makes you awesome, don't you see?
Why are you helping us?
Because us weirdos have to stick together.
But you're not gonna find what you're looking for in these awful, made-up places. The universe is a cruel, uncaring void. The key to being happy isn't to search for meaning, it's to just keep yourself busy with unimportant nonsense, and eventually, you'll be dead.
Well, I guess I can keep my options open.
Great!
Well, don't forget these.
Milk, cream, cheese, it's all me. And I don't see a nickel. Sometimes I just feel like a piece of meat.
I had no idea.
Bruce. Bruce, stop. Stop.
Stop. Just for today. Don't be Batman. Don't be the mask. It's okay. Let it out. Just for tonight. Let yourself fall apart.
This is my first Christmas dinner. What happens?
You'll see.
Would you do the honors, Mr. Grinch?
Oh. Okay. Do you mind if I say something first?
Not at all.
Well, everybody, I just want to say I've spent my entire life hating Christmas and everything about it. But now I see that it wasn't Christmas I hated. It was being alone.
I went to the surface, and I learned the truth. My friends, we were all born with transformation cogs. And then Sentinel, he stole them from us. He took away our ability to make our own decisions. He stole our freedom. But now, I'm offering you your first real choice. You can work a 23rd shift and mine yourself to death, or fight back against Sentinel with me. Right now.
How are we supposed to do that?
We can't fight. We don't have cogs.
What defines a transformer is not the cog in its chest, but the spark that resides in their core. A spark that gives you the will to make your world better. And that spark, Sentinel can never take from us.
When the bad guys hit you, you hit them back. You hit them so hard that they don't get back up. You gotta fight fire with fire. Evil doesn't care that you're nice.
Oh, Toy.
I can't believe it. That old lady was really gonna hurt me.
Well, I'm sorry, Susu, but that's what the world is now. You can't trust anyone.
Does that include babies?
What's this?
The Bugle paid me for my pictures. Now you can pay those bills.
Out of the question. Besides, if you're gonna take photos for the Bugle, you need a new camera.
Well, that thought occurred. But a man has to honor his responsibilities. You're one of mine. Aunt May, please. Let me help.
I accept. If you agree to set aside 10% of every check to save for that camera. Deal?
Deal.
Hill. Your mind is like this water, my friend. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear.
The Dragon Scroll.
You know, I've only ever had one life, but sharing it with you and Kitty has made it pretty special. Maybe one life is enough.
My mom told me that if I stay out of the ocean, I won't turn into
A giant kraken? You are not a human who turns into a kraken. You're a kraken hiding as a human. Once you know what you're capable of, you'll want to be the next kraken queen. It's your birthright. And fight as you might, fight as you will, you can never outswim your destiny.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for? It doesn't matter. It's in the past. Yeah, but it still hurts. Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.
It gets easier. Huh? Every day it gets a little easier.
Yeah?
But you gotta do it every day. That's the hard part. But it does get easier.
You've always wanted to cure what you thought were weaknesses. Your leg. Your disease. But you were never broken, Victor. There is beauty in imperfections. They made you who you are.
There is no secret ingredient. It's just you.
Feel like a failure.
There is no such thing as failure until you give up. That is when you failed.
Megamind. I don't even know if you're listening, but if you are, you can't give up. The Megamind I knew would never have run from a fight, even when he knew he had absolutely no chance of winning. It was your best quality. You need to be that guy right now.
But wait, this isn't how it happened.
No, we made our choices. We could have made better ones, but I don't have any regrets. You were a wonderful experience.
You were everything.
But your father, he never doubted. He always said you'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.
Real life is messy. We all have limitations. We all make mistakes, which means, hey, glass half full, we all have a lot in common. And the more we try to understand one another, the more exceptional each of us will be. But we have to try. I implore you, try. Try to make the world a better place. Look inside yourself and recognize that change starts with you. It starts with me. It starts with all of us.
Never give up on your dreams!
Thanks for the encouragement. But the truth is, I'm not sure being an assassin is my dream after all.
Oh, so then, what is your dream?
I wish I knew.
You'll be fine. It wasn't me. You did it. You trusted someone to hear your problems. That's all we need. Remember, everyone's scared. So don't keep it to yourself. Find your Leo to talk to. It could be your teacher, your mom, your friend, your turtle. They're ready to listen. I promise they'll make you feel better.
Timon, you okay? I give up! But you can't give up. We still haven't found our dream home.
Forget it, Pumba. I've been dragging you down long enough. I'm going home, and I suggest you do the same.
Oh, I would if I could, but I can't.
Oh, sure you can, buddy. I won't stop you.
No, I mean, I don't have a home.
You don't? What happened? Are you lost?
No place good enough for you? What, you're all alone in this big empty world? Truth is, I'm all alone too. Pumbaa, you're the only friend I've ever had.
You mean?
Yeah, Pumbaa. And friends stick together to the end.
There are those who say fate is something beyond our command, that destiny is not our own. But I know better. Our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it.
Dream big dreams. I know, it's good, right? What about the $100 grand? Don't you worry, Eddie. There's got to be a way to get it. What? Buster, no! Listen to me. This show is not gonna save your theater. You're at rock bottom, pal.
Yep, and you know what's great about hitting rock bottom, Eddie? There's only one way left to go. And that's up!